In Igbo, we say, kpara isi ka eji ekwe ya. And IVF begins the same way. After months of preparation, action finally steps in. Tonight, Amara sleeps knowing that tomorrow, science will touch hope. Her body has been preparing for months. Injection, timing, waiting. Doctors don't cut, they guide through precision. Needles the width of a strand of hair collect life's first piece. These eggs hold modern cells. They hold names no one has spoken yet. When dawn comes, Amara may still be sleeping, but hope will already be awake inside the lab. Check out our egg retrieval video now.